Welcome to Chris Control Automation. If today is the first time you're watching this channel, please, I'll urge you to subscribe, okay? Yeah, just hit the subscribe button, okay? And then hit the bell icon, select all, okay? To receive all my notifications. Yeah, and then also put your comment down there, share the video to your friends, and then like the video for me, okay? Yeah, today I'm going to look at lemon switch. Yeah, I think we've all heard of lemon switch. So today I have with me here this particular lemon switch, okay? But when you talk of lemon switch in general, we have proximity sensors such as inductive proximity sensor, capacitive proximity sensor, photoelectric switches, okay? Yeah, they are all lemon switches. And then we have this mechanical lemon switch. Why is it called mechanical lemon switch? Because it has this plunger, okay? This plunger, this one, okay? So it is this plunger, that is why we call it mechanical lemon switch, okay? And those other lemon switches I mentioned, the proximity sensors, okay, they are all lemon switches. But those sensors, it doesn't have a mechanical, any mechanical object, okay? So those sensors, they only through the signal, okay? Yeah, if it is metallic, inductive proximity sensor, it has to sense the metallic object, okay? If it is capacitive, it senses any type of object, rubber or wood or metal, okay? And then we have photoelectric switches, okay? It throws out the IR rays or the lights. So it is being struck by any shiny object. The object, the IR will receive that shining object and then it will trigger its contact. But this particular type of lemon switch, okay, it has a plunger, okay, and this plunger, it has to be impacted or hit by an object physically. That is why this type of lemon switch is called mechanical lemon switch, okay. This type of lemon switch has two set of contacts, that is open contacts and closed contacts inside here. So you go to the board, okay, I will explain the lemon switch for you, okay, the diagram, the symbols, okay, and then how you integrate this lemon switch, the control, let's lemon switch now control circuit. From there you come back to the practicals. As I said earlier, please don't forget to subscribe, okay, just hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon, all right, select all so that you get all my notification whenever I do videos or I upload videos. So this will be a part one, okay. So now in this part one, I'm going to only learn how to use the lemon switch in control circuit. From there, from the upcoming videos, okay, we're going much ahead. Yeah. So let's go to the board and then we continue from there. So engineers, this is the diagram, okay? Yeah, this is the diagram. So let me come back here. These are the symbols for the lemon switch. A lemon switch, this is a symbol for lemon switch, okay? A closed contact lemon switch. Okay. So this is a normal closed contact of the lemon switch. This is the normal open contact of the lemon switch. Okay. So when you open lemon switches, okay, there are two things that you see. One, you see 4 terminals. Okay, 4 terminals. So that 4 terminals means that 2 terminals are for normally closed section. Okay, and the remaining 2 terminals are for the normally open section. Okay, so this type of lemon switch that we are going to use, when you open this lemon switch, you find this terminals there or this contact there. Okay, they are independent contacts. Okay, they are not, they don't have any common points. They are independent. They are normal closed contacts. They are normal open contacts. So these are the symbols. Okay, NC normal closed, NO normal open. Then you see these markings 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so these contacts are independent contacts. They don't have any common points. Okay, now when you open some lemon switch to, you will see this. You will see this. Okay, something like that. Let's assume this is open contacts. Okay, and then you have a common point like this. You have a common point like this. This is a closed contact. A closed contact. Like this way. Okay, yeah. And then this, let's assume, okay, this side will be a common point. Okay, this side will be the open contacts. This side will be the closed contacts. Okay, when you open some lemon switch, you find this. You find three terminals: terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. Okay, but in majority of the limit switches, you find this terminals. Okay, 4 terminals: terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, terminal 4, indicating that one side is two set of terminals is what normally closed, and then the remaining 2 set of terminals is the what normally open contacts. Okay, yeah, but we are not going to use this. We are going to focus on this. That is what you have here in this. Okay, so now let me print this. Okay, so we only use the closed section, the normal closed section. Okay, in this circuit. Okay, so over here we have our overload 9596. If you remember, the jogging circuit. Okay, I brought the overload here. If you remember, you can go back there and watch that video. Okay, yes, you can equally bring it here. The same thing. Okay, now we have the overload. We have our stop push button, and then the limit switch, our start push button, and then the contactor. Okay, this is a hold on this contactor. So now what you are going to do is, when you energize the contactor, okay, the motor or the conveyor, whatever, it will begin to what? To operate. So when you get to the destination of the limit switch, where the limit switch has been placed, okay, where it has been placed, it will hit this plunger. Okay, so when it hits the plunger, this contacts, they will change their state. When it hits this plunger, okay, it's a spring loaded. So when it hits it this way, when it hits it, okay, the closed contact will open. Okay, this contact will open. Okay, when it hits it, this contact will open. At the same time, simultaneously, okay, or instantaneously, this open contact will also close. Okay, but when the object leaves the plunger like this, okay, it will return to its original position like this. And then this contact, they will also return to their original position. The closed will now become closed, and then the open will go back to its open state. Okay, so now we are going to look at how this is going to play. Now, when you press on this start push button, okay, because I have a closed overload here, stop push button which is closed, and then this closed side, limit switch, okay, the normal closed limit switch over here, it means that this side is completed. Okay, yeah, it is only waiting for the start push button to be pressed. So now when you press on this start push button, the contactor, okay, would energize. It will energize. Okay, yeah, this is a hold on, so that when you remove our hand from here, so this contactor will remain energized. So now let's assume the contactor is energized now. Okay, and then the motor or the conveyor or the lathe machine, whatever. Okay, these are applications of limit switch, conveyor system, lathe machines. So now the lathe machine is moving or the conveyor is moving. It is sending the object, the material. Okay, so now when the object, that particular object, okay, hits the limit switch will be placed at where you want the conveyor or the lathe machine to stop. So now the contactor is energized, and then the motor is moving. Okay, it is moving. When you get to where this limit switch is, okay, and it hits this the plunger, okay, or the bumper or the plunger, when it hits it, okay, as I told you earlier, the contact will change their state. So when it hits it, this contact, it will open, and then the contactor will de-energize, to go off, or the conveyor or the motor or the lathe machine to stop, whatever. Okay, yeah. So in this case, you are only using the closed section, okay, to de-energize the contactor. It is same as a stop button, but in this case, we are not going to press on the stop button. Okay, the conveyor or the motor or the machine, whatever, it is going to stop by itself. Okay, when it gets to where the limit switch is stationed, okay, it's placed. Okay, when it gets there, it will hit it, and then this side will open. When it opens, the contactor will de-energize, and then the motor or the conveyor or the lathe machine, it will stop. So today we are only using the closed session. Okay, yes. In the next video, okay, we are going to see an advance of this. We are going to see an advance of this. Okay, so let's go to the practicals, do the wiring, and then we test it, and then we see how it operates. Okay, as I told you, limit switch is applied in conveyor systems, lathe machines, robotics. Okay, robotics. a lot. So many automated systems. Okay, yeah. So let's go to the practicals. Okay, and then continue from there. So engineers, this is the limit switch. Now I'm going to open it. Then you see inside. Okay. Now I've opened it. So as I talked about it earlier, as I told you earlier, you see, don't know whether you are seeing it well, clear. You see 3 and 4, 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2, and then 3, okay, 3 and 4. So it shows that this side, this contact, okay, is the open side, and then this contact, okay, is the closed side. So in all, you have 4 terminals: terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, terminal 4. Okay, so this is a 4-terminal limit switch. Okay, meaning we have two set of terminals are for particular set of contacts. Okay, yeah. So this side we have open contact. This is the closed contact. Okay, so let me test this with the instrument for you. So I'll put the instrument here. Okay, this is the meter. This is the meter. Okay, so let me put the lead here. Let me bridge it. But you can hear the sound, right? Okay, so we put this one here. Okay, let me put it down. Okay, now this is a closed session. Okay, so this is a normally closed session. So let me push the plunger, okay, and see. You see that it has gone off. The beeping has gone off, right? Let me test the open side and see. Now the open side is now closed. Okay, the open side is now closed, but you see here. Okay, this is the normally open. Sorry, the normally closed. Okay, this is the normally open. It is not beeping. There's no sound because it is normally open. This side is normally closed. Okay, so when I push the plunger, it goes off. Okay, and in this case, when I test the normally open side, this side, when I test here, you see that now it is beeping now. Okay, yeah, it is now closed. But when I leave it and it goes back like this, it stops. And then the contact will return to their normal positions. Okay, now here becomes closed again, and then here opens. So now let's begin the wiring. Okay, let's begin the wiring. So we are going to use the closed section. Okay, as I showed you in the diagram on the board, the same thing over here. Okay, there is it, right? So we use the closed section. So we are going to use this side. Okay, so now from the diagram, you see, from the line 1. Okay, we tap from line 1 to the 95 of the overload. Okay, yeah, so this is our overload. So this our red cable, line 1. So the overload you have 95. Okay, 95, 96. This is the closed section. This one is the opening section. Okay, you are going to use this side. So 95. Okay, 95, and then from the 96 of the overload, okay, it goes to one side of the stop push button, right? Okay, so let's pick a cable, a yellow cable. Okay, yeah, this cable is okay. From here, from the 96, yeah, it's going to the stop push button. That is 1 and 2. So these are push buttons. Okay, these are push buttons. So this is our stop push button, and then 1 and 2. This side is 1. Okay, this is the symbol here. So this side is 1. So you place it here, or even you can even see from here 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and it's normally close. Okay. So place it at 1 and 2. Okay. I hope you've seen it right. All right. So now from the other side of the stop push button, okay, it is going to one side of the limit switch, the closed limit switch, the closed contacts. So you pick a cable from here. Okay, let me use. Okay. So from the two, it is going to one side of the closed limit switch. Okay. So you pick the limit switch. Okay. Yeah. So this side, this is the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. So you place it at the 1. So that's removed. Okay, so place it here. Okay, then from this side, okay, it goes to the start push button one side. Pick on the cable. From this side. From the other side, okay, of the limit switch, the closed limit switch. Going to the start push button, okay, 3 and 4, the 3 and 4. So you come to the 3. All right, then from the 4. From one other side of the 4, or the start, to contactor A1. Contactor call A1. So this is the contactor. Okay. Yeah, so this is the coil. You have A1 and then A2. So this is the A1, okay. But because it's a continuous, you can even place it at A2, then A1 to neutral, the same thing. It's a coil. Someone was asking, can they apply a live at the A2? I said yes. Can apply a live because it's a coil. It's a straight wire coil. So from the start to A1. Traditionally, we always place it at A1, but when I place it at A2, equally it will work. Yes, because it is just a coil. It's a continuous thing. Yeah, this is it, right? Okay. Now, then from the A2 to neutral. Okay. So this is our neutral line. Okay. This is our neutral line. This one trackable. So we place it here. This one is so simple. Yeah. It is so simple. Okay, now we are done. Now it is left with the hold on contact. Okay, so you wire 13, 14 okay, on the contactor in parallel with this start push button. Okay, so this is our 1314. You see that? 1314 open contact. So we pick a cable. So this is our start push button, right? Okay. So now we pick a cable. So let me use this black cable, okay, as the hold on. So I'll place it at the 13. The 13. And then to go to 3 on the start push button. So we are wiring them in parallel. That is the hold on. Okay. Oh, it is not fixed well. So let me do it well. Okay, and then I'll take another black cable. I'll put it at 14. That's the 14. Okay, so also go to the 4 on the start push button. So this is just simple hold on contact. Okay, I to change it. So this side will be the 3. They are all the same. They are all the same, but sometimes I want a nice distance. So this 4, the 14 will be at the 4. Okay, 14 will be at the 4. Yeah, the 14 will be at the 4. This one is here. Yeah, and then the 13. Okay, the 13 on okay, this is the 13, right? This is the 13. Okay, it will be on the 3 or the start push button. Yeah, equally to work. How I interchange it first, it will work. But I want a nice. I want it to be precise. Yeah. So this is it. So now we are done with the wiring. Okay. Okay. So now we are done with the wiring. Okay. This one is so simple. So this is our stop push button. Okay. This is our stop push button. And then our start push button. Okay. This is the limit switch. Are you seeing the limit switch? This is the overload. Okay. Yeah, this is the overload. Yeah. So let me on the supply and come. So I've on the supply. Let me test with the tester and see if you get this overload, right? Can test from here. You see that? You see from the tester, okay? You see it, right? Right? Yeah. So there's power there. All right. Now we are going to energize this contactor, okay? Yeah, so let's all look at the side. So I'm going to press on the start push button, okay? On the start push button. So like this, it is energized, right? Let me take off my hand. It is still in, right? Yeah. I can press the stop push button to go off. So let me energize it again. Let's see. Raising it. My hand is off. Now we are going to hit this plunger, the limit switch, and see what will happen to the contactor. So let's see. You see that it is off, right? It means that the closed side is now open. This side is now open. Okay. When I remove my hand to go back, okay. When I press the start switch button, it will energize. You see that? When I press it, when I hit this plunger, either direction. So here, it will go off. When I press it, it will energize. When I come this way, it will go off. Okay, it goes either directions. So this is simple. This is simple. This is simple. So this is just a simple direct online. Okay, using limit switch to control it or to stop it. Yeah. So engineers, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you understood. It's so simple. Just a limit switch controlling a contactor or a motor or a conveyor or lathe machine. It's so simple, right? Yeah. If you don't understand anything, let me see it in the comment section. Okay, just put down a comment. All right? Yeah. And then please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hit the bell icon. Okay, to turn on the notification to get all my videos. And also share the video to your friends. Okay, share it to your colleagues. Right? And then like the video. Okay, yeah. So in my next tutorial, we are going to look at an advanced circuit of this. Okay, using the limit switch. Okay, yeah. You'll be doing it gradually. And at the end of the series, okay, of this limit switch, you should be able to use limit switch in any control circuit of your own. Okay, so I'll see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.